It's always a good morning. It's always a good Monday when we have Bitcoin 3% higher and we see those green candlesticks in the day. I'm here to tell you what is happening. Welcome back. Oscar here. This is not surprising, everybody, because we've been talking about it since yesterday. I told you in the charts, stock money listeners wasn't wrong. And why are we seeing these green candles, everyone? Is this a bull trap? Is this an actual, getaway from the 25,000? Why are we 27,000? And I'm showing you what happened at the end of August, right? I mean, is this going to be a bar chart where we pump and dump? There's obviously a lot of things to say right here. But nonetheless, just know that we're not going to be down forever and we're heading higher. And that higher is six figures. So 100,000 Bitcoin for one, it's happening. Now, everybody, if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to smash the like button so more people are aware because this is the morning here in Texas, the US, and I'm sure that there's a bunch of more volatility ahead. When we have volatility, there's uncertainty, right? So the markets are going to do what they know best, and that is buy, sell, crash, and pump on us. But I'm happy because I'm showing you what the last month plus has been and uneventful and crashing and a little bit of pumping. And every time we have green, I'm enjoying it. I mean, I'm even wearing it, right? So first thing that you have to know for this week is FOMC week, which means that the Federal Reserve is going to make a decision whether they're going to raise interest rates, federal funds rate, or not. Right now, based on the investigation of what's public available data, seems that 98% are saying that there's not going to be any interest rate hike, right? And that is, in a way, nice and decent. Why? Well, Oscar, shouldn't it be an interest rate hike because headline CPI went higher from 4.3 to 4.7 or 3.2 to 3.7? I sometimes get confused in the headline and core. My apologies, but it is what it is. Yes, but that was because of oil, right? Very volatile subject for the headline CPI. However, for the core CPI, we went down. We went really down. That was really nice. So the Fed, I believe, looks more at core from what I've heard in the press conferences, which is good. So we have good CPI from core. If they decide to raise interest rate hikes, well, definitely that's gonna be something unexpected by a lot of people. Can it happen? Of course. So expect anything. That's one thing. We also have Watch Your Guru posting on us about less than a day ago, right? Reminding everyone about what BlackRock is saying when it comes to spot Bitcoin ETFs and Bitcoin. And, you know, Tesla even talking with Saudi Arabia, which is, you may say, well, who cares about Tesla? Well, remember, Elon Musk said that he was going to allow, once again, to pay with Bitcoin if there was a 50% chance for Bitcoin to be mined more sustainable. And it did now, according to a report by Bloomberg. So we have some bullish news from last week and not really much change last week when it comes to the price of Bitcoin. And this was it, right? Just a nice 25, 24, 20, 26 price level. But now we're seeing a clear changing trend with a nice 3%. That's not $1,000 for Bitcoin, but it still is great. I think it could mean something higher, right? But that's just the data. I'm telling you what I know it will happen, and it's exciting, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum now going to 1600. Crypto.com, we have XRP, we have Shiba Inu, we have other ones right now. So it seems that, let's see, the Bitcoin dominance at 50. So check nice rally there. So what we're seeing right now can easily be sold, and we can come lower by tonight. That's the sad news because that's just kind of like the way this works. But happy to tell you that look at this, how close we are from the previous high, which we put back in August 29th. It was great. And remember where we're coming from, right? This, my friends, is the $30,000 resistance, that consolidation that we had for a while. And this consolidation lasted a good while. I mean, most of the summer, from June all the way to August, right? And we had it, we enjoyed it. This was fantastic when we went from 25 all the way to 30 plus $1,000. Now, can this be the second rally to take us to 30,000? There's a chance. There's really not much going on to bring us down to 20,000 or less. That is my analysis and what I've seen so far and what I've been telling you. But anything can happen. But the price of Bitcoin can continue rising, and you can believe people are gonna go crazy. Right now, Bitcoin is trending. And if I look at this, there's going to be, obviously, people saying breaking 27,000, people getting excited and crazy. The oil market drives all the other commodities combined. In the coming decade, Bitcoin mining is set to fuse seamlessly with the oil market, becoming an essential component. And important thread, it's coming right here. So, there's good stuff that it's planning, and this is gonna be about Tesla for sure. So it's exciting. It's exciting for sure. I mean, 27,000, it is the way to go, right? We're seeing also the fear and greed index right now at 46. This was 30s, guys. We were in the 30s. Now we're coming a little bit higher. A new update in 11 hours, so it's good. $1.08 trillion. We were at 1.05 and oh 04 for the entire week last week. Like, we didn't move anything at all. The last 24 hours, we see the major winners, 20%. Some altcoins really not moving a lot. In the last 7 days, we see OnCoin destroying everyone. And in the last 1 hour, we see eCash as well. So Bitcoin is really not the major winner, but obviously it's great to see it passing 27,000 because it gives momentum. It gives us hope that finally it's going to do something much higher. Let's go to the 1 hour because this is really good. Look at this. Oh boy. Look at this. Someone is buying all the Bitcoin. Who is it? Tell me in the comments down below if you are the one, because at this moment it's about to be 1,000, close to $1,000, from 26,500 to 27,500, and that is awesome. Started here at 9 p.m. yesterday, and I saw it. Yesterday, it was 9 p.m. I saw this pump, a little bit of a green, nice candlestick, and I'm like, that's good, that's good. But I didn't, think about anything because I knew any moment, okay, there it comes down once again. But it lasted for 5 more hours, and then at 2 a.m. it all started coming up. Which is good, guys. It means that this week is gonna be essential. We're gonna have a press conference, right? There's gonna be a lot of people live. It's gonna be exciting, and whatever Jerome Powell says, it will have a change in the price of Bitcoin, in the price of stocks. So be ready. Basically, 24 hours, 48 hours from now, we'll have some nice volatility in the entire crypto market. So it's exciting. Overall, everyone, that's basically it. Gonna be a good week. Like and subscribe for more. Take a look at the links down below. It's good. You're being updated. Thanks for watching. Peace.